Okay, so we all love phones. They're nice. Then, yeah, we started to continue with touchscreen phones. Let me just get my password. Then the iPhone 6. Then the iPad 4th generation with the wide charger. Then they made the VR. Just have the joysticks over here. The VR is not charging. I just don't want to bring it over. Fine, I'll go bring it. Stay there, guys. You can look at the phones, all the phone devices we reviewed already. Okay, shoe, old devices. Then we got the Media Quest with its beautiful buttons that sound pretty nice. Then, okay, shoe. And so then, first off, the buttons were loud at first. Then after a few years, they made this Nokia. Looks close to a PowerBook G4. Very close because it has that see-through. Yeah. Then, probably on the iPhone 4, Steve Jobs passed away, but the new people who made Apple were pretty good at this. They started making sizes, copying the same phone. I mean, this is the iPhone 6 Plus. Okay. And they have the original iPhone 6, probably down to this, like here to here. Then this was all not real. And that's the size of the other iPhone 6. Then, yep. And yes, VR made the Quest 1, Quest 2. The Quest 1 is the black version, and the Quest 2 has a faster battery in it, a nicer battery in it, nicer style, easier buttons to click. And I think in 2019, iPad got released with this wide charger. Then a few years after that, they made the same iPad like this, just a skinnier charger that we use now. Yeah. Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye.